Okay, I'm gonna say something to Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. Popeyes, not gonna happen because I tried that sandwich, Popeyes chicken sandwich, but it gave me, it made my look at this. It made my stomach upset because my stomach wanted Chick-fil-A, not your Popeyes. Why you do that? Why you do that for my stomach? Why you make my stomach cry? You know I want Chick-fil-A. Why you always doing that? Chick-fil-A. I get thumbs up for Chick-fil-A and Popeyes competition for reviews. I get your thumbs up for Chick-fil-A. But Popeyes, I could do thumbs down for the Popeyes. And Popeyes get going down.